So what is SAP BTP? SAP Business Technology Platform. So what exactly is that? The definition given by SAP is like this. SAP BTP is an open platform as a service that delivers in-memory capabilities and some core platform services. And also we have some unique services for building and extending the applications. Could be the mobile applications or mobile enabled cloud applications like that. And also this platform is designed to accelerate digital transformation, which will help the customers to move quickly, easily, and economically to develop the exact application they need without investing in on-premise and cloud infrastructures. See, when we look at this definition given by SAP, it may look a little complicated to understand that. So let us consider one of the scenario where this BTP and its services can be used. One simple example we'll see. So let us say you are a customer and you want to develop one application, a custom application you want to develop in your company. So when you want to do that, usually the standard procedure is first you need to procure some hardware, and then we need to have an operating system installed, and then we need some tools to do the development. We need some runtime environment. We need to set up all that, and then we start developing that application. Imagine the kind of effort, the time, and the money you need to spend on this. Moreover, if you want to go through that entire life cycle management, you need to set up multiple systems. So we call it as staged development environment. Like you need to have a development system, a test system, a production system, and you need to handle the change management. So all this process, if you consider, you have to put in a lot of effort there. But now, with the SAP Business Technology Platform and its services, it becomes so easy for you to do the same activity. The same application you want to develop, what you have to do is, you just need to contact SAP and get into an agreement with SAP saying that, okay, these are the services we want to use. It's like your utility, any utility, where like your electricity, water, like that, you just subscribe to that service and start using that service. So you don't need to worry about the infrastructure. We don't need to worry about operating systems, nothing. We just have a service readily available. We have the tools available. We have the runtime environments available there. So you just subscribe to them and start developing your application without worrying about any of this, what we have done in the on-premise environment. And also, if you want to handle that, the complete lifecycle management, the stage of development environment, we can set it up so easily here. They do provide you the transportation options. There is something called CTMS, Cloud Transport Management Services, which will handle the entire change management. So this is one example, one scenario which I given you here. Make the thing so easy for you. So, and another thing, also people will assume that, okay, why SAP is speaking about SAP BTP, they'll speak more about development, application development and all that. But remember that SAP BTP services can be used for so many different functionality areas. So we can use these services for a custom application development. You can use them for an extension development for your existing SAP applications. You can use them for integrations. We can use them for automations. We can use them for data management. We can use them for analytics. So many functionality areas we have on BTP. So everyone will have their own perspective, but if you look at the scope and functionality area, it's huge. And also don't think that SAP BTP is only for SAP's application development. Any kind of application development you can do here. Any kind of applications you can integrate. Any automations you can perform. Any kind of analytics we can do, irrespective of your sources. That's the kind of flexibility you'll be having without you worry about infrastructure, without worrying about operating system maintenance, all this. That's what exactly SAP BTP offers to you. And in fact, there are so many applications and services SAP is developing on BTP. So in the future, SAP is going to offer all their applications and services which are designed and developed based on this technology platform called SAP BTP.